Welcome to Budding Dentist. Today I am here to share some of the information regarding the new vaccine Sputnik V. It is the third COVID vaccine has been approved in India. It offers 92% protection against the COVID-19. Let's see the history of Sputnik V. It is manufactured in Russia. RDIF, it stands for Russian Direct Investment Fund. Gamaleya, it is a National Research Institute of Epidemiology and Microbiology in partnership with Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, which is in Telangana, has got registration in India under the Emergency Use Authorization Procedure. It is approved in India after positive clinical trials in Russia as well as India. On May 14, Mr. Deepak Chopra, who is a global head of custom pharma services at Dr. Reddy's Laboratory, receives the first jab of vaccine in Hyderabad. First jab is nothing but first dose of vaccine. He is the first person in India to got vaccinated by Sputnik V. It is manufactured in Russia, as I said before. The type of the vaccine is viral vector. Sputnik is a 2-dose vaccine in which the second dose is administered after a gap of 21 days. Sputnik V, it uses two dissimilar disarmed strains of the adenovirus that cause the common cold. They are used as vectors. Vectors are nothing but the carrier of medicine or the virus to deliver the jab. Injecting two different vectors can minimize the risk of immune system developing resistance to the initial vector. How does it works? It uses the cold type virus, as I said before, which is engineered to be harmless. It works as a carrier to deliver a small fragment of SARS-CoV-2 virus to the body. It safely exposes the body to a part of the genetic code of virus. It recognizes the threat and then learns to fight it off without causing any illness. After vaccination, that is, once you get vaccinated, your immune system, your body immune system produce antibodies against the coronavirus for real. So soon get vaccinated. Sputnik V, it is a safe and tested human adenovirus vector platform. Using two different human adenoviral vectors, it is a unique approach that allows to boost the immune response and it provides long-lasting immunity. Coming to its storage part, it is stored at the temperature of 2 to 8 degrees Celsius, which makes it easy to store and transport in India. Russian companies have promised that they will deliver 200 million doses of vaccine to India. Its efficacy is 91.6% approximately. And coming to its side effect part, quite rarely it do not require any hospitalization after the vaccination. In some cases, people may develop fever, which is the immune system natural way of giving a body a boost, and it can overcome by paracetamol, and there is no serious allergies has been reported. Price of Sputnik V in India is rupees 948 plus 5% GST per dose, that is rupees 995.4, nearly 1000 rupees per dose. By getting COVID-19 vaccine, you are not only protecting yourself and are also your loved ones. So get vaccinated soon. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you for your patience. Take a minute to subscribe my channel. Thank you.